This first shot, I needed Lizzie to go straight, look to the left, then look behind her at the other car. We need to generate what's called a clean plate, which is essentially the shot without the dinosaur. So let's add rain, atmosphere, lighting, and bring it all together in our clean plate. Now it looks good enough to bring in Lizzie. Okay, let's talk about this shot. Film my wife Olivia lifting up the can and opening it, and after some masking, simply match the colors and lighting of the original shot. So the first thing you do in a shot like this is mask all the elements that go in front of Lizzie. So in this case, it's the kids. This process is called rotoscoping, and you have to do it for every frame. So my advice is listen to a good podcast while you do it. Luckily, I had just the shot, and it was a complete accident. She was being cute, and so I gave her a pet. And somehow, it worked. As for the car tilting on its own, what it took was tracking the motion of the car visible to us in Mocha for After Effects. Mocha, if you'd like to sponsor us, we're available.